If you are looking for a new skincare routine, this is for you. Watch till end.
First, take a toothpaste, open its cap, and take about 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, and pour it in glass pot. Before going forward, like and subscribe.
Take a half tablespoon Vaseline. Put it in glass pot. Now we are going to mix our next component.
The third component is olive oil. Take half tablespoon of olive oil. Pour in the glass pot.
Mix these 3 things with a spoon. Mix until they are completely dissolved. Then take it out.
Thanks so much for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out content bestells for more content just like this.